Hello guys, on today's video I'm going to be talking about in-stream ad monetization, the requirements and the things that you need to do to be monetized on in-stream ads on Facebook. It's very important for us to know that there is a lot of ways to monetize on Facebook. Even when you are not monetized on in-stream ads on reels, bonuses, stars, and the rest, there's a way you can earn money on Facebook, which may include running sponsored ads on your page. That is, if you have a large audience or selling people's products on your page. But today I'm going to be focusing on in-stream ads. So what is in-stream ads? In-stream ad is simply the best form of monetization on Facebook. That is the form of monetization that pays the most on Facebook. If you are monetized on in-stream ads on Facebook, then you have the tendency of making more money because it pays more than other forms of monetization. So how do you qualify for monetization on in-stream ad? The first is that you need to get 5,000 followers. That's the first. The second is that you need to get 60,000 minutes views. And the third is that you need to upload original content and you need to follow Facebook policy. And once you meet up these criteria, you are going to monetize on in-stream ads. Now, people face the challenges of meeting up 60,000 minutes views. In as much as meeting up these 60,000 minutes views is the toughest part of monetizing on in-stream ads, it is very realizable under 2 months. If you know what you are doing, if you are intentional, and if you are consistent on your page, if you know what you want, meeting up this criteria is very, very easy. The number one goal is for you to stay consistent. Whatever you do, once you are consistent, then that thing is going to pay off one day. The problem most people have on their page is that once they post 1 week, 2 weeks, and they are not getting views, they will reduce the energy they started with, and this is where problem starts to set in. So if you want to monetize on in-stream ads, you need a lot of hard work. There is no shortcut for you to meet up monetization on in-stream ads. There are a lot of vendors on Facebook who will tell you, come and I will complete your 60,000 minutes views. And most of you are falling for this. But I will shock you that if you are doing this, they will complete the 60,000 minutes views and monetizing will be the problem. That is what most people don't know. So you need to work. Whatever is going to pay you requires you to work to earn that money. This is a mindset that we should have. If you see Facebook as a business, you will treat it as a business. But if you see it as a side hustle, you are also going to treat it as a side hustle. But then when Facebook start paying you, you will ditch any work you are doing to focus on Facebook. For you to meet up these 60,000 minutes views, the number one thing you should focus on is creating content that does not violate Facebook policies. This is very, very important. You need to learn the kind of content that will allow you monetize when you finally reach 60,000 minutes views. Now, I get a lot of problems. I just created my page and I am seeing content monetization policy issue. Now, let me sound this straight. If your page is still under 30 days, currently, pages under 30 days get that policy issue. It's because you have not established your presence on Facebook. That is why I said you should remain consistent on your page if you want to monetize on in-stream ads. So when you are still under 30 days, keep posting, keep doing what you are doing, provided you are posting good content, not unoriginal content that will not allow you to monetize. Once you are posting good edited content or your own original content, I always advise that you post your own original content because this will increase the chances of you monetizing to 80 or 90% as the case may be. How do I know that I am monetized on in-stream ads? Now, for you to know if you are qualified for in-stream ads, all you need to do is to go to your professional dashboard, go to monetization on the normal Facebook app, not Facebook Lite, and you scroll down to in-stream ads. When you open it, you will see the criteria. So you are going to see them. Anyone that you have completed will be ticked green. Once it ticked green, that means you have completed that criteria. It's remaining other criteria. So this is easily how to know if you are qualified for monetization on in-stream ads. Mind you that once you qualify, they are going to notify you that you are now eligible to start earning on in-stream ads. Now, when you watch videos, how to know if a page that is not yours is monetized on in-stream ads is that while watching that video, if it's a long form video, you see that ad will play before the video, or during the video you see an ad break. It's called ad break. They will stop the video and play maybe a 5-second video, then they will resume the video. That's how you know that this page is monetized on in-stream ads. So these are the basic things you need to know about in-stream ads. If you've got any more question to ask, you can drop it below this video and we are going to discuss about it. Till I come your way next time, I remain Justice Chibike.